Hello everyone and welcome to CapCut for Social Media Video Editing. Today is our 14th lesson and our lesson topic is Stand Out on Feed, Edit Captivating Videos for Instagram. So in this class, you will be learning about how to create and edit different type of videos for Instagram. So now let's go over to the Google and see what are the ratios for our particular Instagram. So as you can see, there are 4 type of videos. Instagram videos, you can just see it's 9:16 for portrait and 16:9 for landscape mode. Then Instagram stories also similar, Instagram reels also same, and Instagram video same. But there is another one measurement where you can just see different size. So here you can see there are 6 different size. The first one is square, 1:1. This one is portrait, 4:5. This one is 1.91:1. Then here you can see 9:16, 1:1, and 4:5. So this also can be taken as the measurement of our particular video. So now let's go over to the CapCut and see how we are going to create one. I want to mention that today we are going to create a square shaped one. So let's go and create this one. After coming over to the CapCut, you will have this type of interface. So now let's go and import our particular file over here. Let's click and then we have to select our particular file. So today we are going to use this particular files. So today we are going to use this particular 3 file, this one, and this one. So now let's select and click on open. So it will just import over here. Now let's bring everything together over here. So it will take some time to bring it over here and then we can just start editing. Now, one thing we have to select our ratio. So for our ratio, let's go over here, click on ratio. We'll be using 1:1. And then let's zoom this one. Similarly for this also, let's click on this. We'll keep the person in center and let's try to play once again. And for the third one also, we'll do the same. Now you can see our particular videos are in perfect ratio. Now let's try to put some transition between each one of them. So now let's go over here and add some transition for our particular video. The first one, I'll use this. And the second one, let's use this one. So these 2 are our main transitions because we're having 3 videos, so we can use only 2 transitions over here. We can just upscale this and see our particular frames and our transitions over here. Now let's go and add text for our particular video. Let's add this particular text. Let's click on download. Let's bring it over here. Increase the length. Let's adjust the text over here. And now let's put anything. Welcome to my world. welcome to my world. You want to put your particular text whichever location you want, because sometimes it not be visible. You can just put different stickers over here. Suppose let's go over to the stickers, and we want to put our travel sticker. So let write travel over here. And then you can have different travel stickers over here. So I'm going to use this one. This one is animated. So let's download. And let's put it over here. Now let's try to play once again this one. So you can see our particular sticker is over here. Now let's add another stickers for our third video. Let's add something, this one over here. Now let's increase it. We'll put it over somewhere here. Or let's put it over our left. Now you can see our text, sticker, everything is there, also transitions. Now let's add some effects. For effects, I'll be using this one, or this one let's use. So let's use this one. I'll put it over here. Now let's play it. It's looking nice. Let's add some more. Let's add this one, or let's add this. Also, I'll be using this particular one over here. Let's put it here. Let's see how it's look. Play now. And you can see it's there. Now let's add another one, last one. We'll use this only. Now let's put it over here. Increase it, and now put our tracker over here and then play. So you can see everything is on their place. Now let's go and add some filters on it. Let's select the filters, go over filter, and it will just load some filters. You can just search from here. If you know some names, I'll use this particular filter for this image. For this, I'll use this one, and I'll use this one for this image. Now you can see our particular video is having filter, effects, text, transitions, stickers also are there. Now let's put our music on our particular video. Let's add a music for travel. So now let's download one of this, or you can just download this one. Let's put first one only. So we'll just put it over here, and then let's go and wait for some time. Cut this one, like split, and download this. So now let's go and delete this one. Let's click over delete. And now you can see our particular video is ready. Now let's play it from beginning. You can just use different type of music, whichever you want. For showing, I just showed you with the first music. So this is our particular video. Now let's go and export this one. So click on export. And then let's keep it similar. Click on export and it will just take some time. After that, your particular video will be ready. So I hope you all understand about this class. If you are having any doubt, you can just ask us. We'll be able to help you. Till then, take care. Goodbye.